Hi guys, another new technology here. Uh, this one's very simple, and I think due to its simplicity, it's free. There's other apps that do something similar, but will cost money. It's called BouncyBalls, and it sounds silly. This isn't necessarily an application for enhancing learning or providing content or anything like that. It's primarily a simple classroom management tool, and I guess it does it in a somewhat funner way. As you see, all you do is you press begin. We have my microphone sensitivity up here, so right now it's not engaged. Uh, this just alerts your class when they're too noisy. These things bump according to the decibels put out on the microphone. The sensitivity can be adjusted here or here, depending on severity. And then it has just different themes, right? Emojis. I don't like emojis. I'm an old man, so I'll just stick with these ones. The noise alert's on, the noise alert's off. I like the noise alert on. You guys won't be able to hear it with Screencast-O-Matic, but it'll either be a shush or a beep. Those are your options. So we turn the microphone on, and as I begin to talk, you can see that it's pretty sensitive right now, and these things are bumping up. If I go too high, boom! I'll just hit my desk. And it says too noisy, right? If I want it to be extremely sensitive, this is like there's no talking. Right? And in reality, it'll probably be a lot quieter like this. And then you can see that it's reacting to my voice a little less severely. So hopefully me creating noise wasn't too annoying or too annoying for this short video. But it's kind of fun. You can see that I talk louder and the balls go up, and it just kind of serves as a classroom management tool. Real simple, real easy to use.